असली सोना,
असली सोना,
प्योर गोल्ड।
सोनाक्षी जी इधर
लुकिया सेंटर,
लुकिया सोनाक्षी जी लुकिया।
क्या गोल
की लाइट आ रहा है।
क्यों
हाँ यहाँ से स्टार्ट।
सोनाक्षी जी यहाँ पर।
आप भी रेडी नहीं हो
सोनाक्षी जी अभी इधर
यहाँ पे मेरे
यहाँ पे
मैम
मैम ये वाला
आ रही हो, आ रही हो।
सोनाक्षी
मैम
चलो सोनाक्षी जी मैं यहाँ पर सोनाक्षी आप सोनाक्षी जी रुकिए सोनाक्षी जी आपके थोड़ा लेफ्ट में यहाँ पर हाँ आपके थोड़ा लेफ्ट में सोनाक्षी जी मैम यहाँ पर देखा ही नहीं आप सोनाक्षी लुक किया मैम यहाँ पर देखा ही नहीं आपने
अरे
लुक किया
वो ऐसे ही बोलते रहता हूँ
इतना झूठ
बहुत बड़ा
मैम सेंटर,
मैम ऑन लेफ्ट।
सेंटर मैम जस्ट ऊपर थोड़ा ये वाला मैम लास्ट टाइम
ओके थैंक यू
थैंक यू
बैठे आप
हाँ
हाँ बैठा हम बैठ
कौन कहाँ बैठा
इसको तो फ्लैश मोड में डालो
Hello, please, guys. Please say. I mean, I want to welcome Miss Rashi Sood, guys. Yes. Thank you everybody for being here. आप लोग बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं हमारे मिल माया की टी-शर्ट में। मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहती हूँ तो very very talented Rashi Sood जिसने ये गाना गाया है. And welcome Rashi to Bombay and to the studio today.
Thank you. This is she's very kind that she's introducing me like that. But
स्लो मोड पर फ्लैश का
the real talent here is Asli Sona. She definitely is 24 karat guys. So
Thank you. Sit. Here, Avantika.
So firstly, thank you so much guys for coming. Like Sonakshi said, you all are looking amazing. आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं हमारे टी-शर्ट्स में. ये पहनना है हाँ 29-30 पूरे महीने यही पहनना है.
दो चार और दे दो.
दो चार और देंगे
यही
जल्दी
लगेगा.
And we have to make the song go everywhere because Sonakshi is coming after such a long time. आपको पता है ना last गाना कब किया था? So we're so happy that you're doing this with us. Also, we have Iconic here with us, who is one part of the unit. जिन्होंने गाना बनाया है, and he is the music producer.
Yes. Welcome.
We also have the backbone, the mind behind Big Bang, this whole project. We have Mr. Gaurav Batra, our boss, the CEO, founder of Big Bang Music. Give it up!
गौरव साहब अपने लोगों को लेके आए.
So I think बस quickly we're going to start off about the song. So Sonakshi, आप एक बार बता दीजिए that why did you pick Big Bang and क्या मजा आपको इस गाने में?
पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि जब गौरव ने मुझे he made me hear a bunch of songs, 8-10 गाने तो सुनाए होंगे. And मैंने उसको ये बोला कि तुमने मुझे अब कंफ्यूज कर दिया कि मैं अब कौन सा गाना चुनूँ इसमें से क्योंकि सब इतने अच्छे थे. And the fun fact here is that मैंने 2 गाने चुने और दोनों गानों के बारे में जब मैंने पूछा किसने गाया है उसने कहा कि राशि ने ही गाया है. तो इसकी वॉइस से कुछ कनेक्शन हुआ मेरा एंड आई थिंक शी इज सुप्रीमली टैलेंटेड एंड आई थिंक हर वॉइस सूट्स मी perfectly.
I would agree there. But then you're being so sweet. Thank you very much. You're being too kind here.
No, really. And I just said I have to be a part of Mil Mahia because it's such a foot-tapping, groovy number. And I immediately took to it. Like, I was just grooving along with it. So, well done. And yeah, that's the story, actually. Not very complicated at all.
And Gaurav, how was it collaborating with Sonakshi? Because we know she was a breeze to work with. She was amazing.
अच्छी बात बोलना, अच्छी बात बोलना.
So it was actually a very chill Saturday afternoon. I get a call from Vijay, my partner, and he's like, "गाने भेजो यार, गाने भेजो." I'm sitting with Sona, and I was like, I couldn't believe it. I was like, how, where, what's happening? And we sent her songs, and I think within 5 minutes we locked it. Instantly she loved it, and from there to the shoot to here, I think it's been a breeze completely. It's actually been a whirlwind in terms of like how short a time we had, because there's so many like scenarios to take care of now because of pandemic. We have to make sure everyone's safe. But just working with her has been so easy that I think हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम बाकी लोगों के साथ ना काम करके सिर्फ आप लोगों के साथ काम करें एंड जोड़ियाँ बन जाती है म्यूजिक में which hopefully carry forward. तो Iconic and Upside Down, they are brothers. Upside is in LA today and Rashi, Iconic, Upside Down की हमारी journey start हुई किन्नी बारी से and now Sonakshi is kind of come on as I think our lucky charm. She has been lucky for many artists I feel and for very like long time she has not done a pop video. I think after Desi Kalakar, but she started the trend of merging Bollywood with pop, and Big Bang is all about that. Big Bang is here to kind of fuse Bollywood and pop and create a new sound, and with artists like Rashi and Iconic, we are attempting that, and this is a very commercial Punjabi yet different song, and जब आप सुनेंगे और hook step देखेंगे तो I think you'll realize.
नहीं होता तो मैं नहीं करती.
Also, Rashi, when you got to know that Sonakshi is going to be dancing, performing to your song, आपका क्या था? By the way, guys, Rashi is a teacher by day and a pop star by night.
So I'm like Hannah Montana, mostly Batman. So I'm living a different day job, like life in the morning and in the evening I transform into a pop star.
आप क्या सिखाती हैं?
मैम मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाती हूँ.
अच्छा, आप सिंगिंग सिखाती हैं?
नहीं, मैं सिखाती नहीं हूँ, but मैं गाती जरूर हूँ.
और क्या गाती हो आप? वाह.
Again, so yeah, so this when I got to know Sonakshi's going to, I got on a call with Gaurav and he's saying that some amazing Bollywood actresses loved your song and I immediately got hyped ki kaun hai. He did not tell me initially, he was keeping it a secret, and I think waiting for Sonakshi to confirm this. But the day I got to know, it was such an overwhelming feeling. I was having a word with her, I think day before yesterday when I asked, I mean, I've been asking people to pinch me, right? That is this happening with me? Okay, now I know it's real, guys. This is real, this is Asli Sona. So yeah, it was overwhelming for real.
So good. And Iconic, what was it like when you got to know that Sonakshi is a part of it? And the song is going to...
Oh man, I was actually at a studio session very late at night. I was like, yeah man, actually there's a song and we have a really good singer and dancer, and I'm like, who's the artist? He's like, yeah, I'm gonna tell you in a few days, don't worry. In a week I'll let you know. I'm like, tell me, like who is it? So I think there was a secret for a while, and then when we got to know, we were just like so ecstatic and just blown away by the experience.
Yeah, and Iconic and Upside actually work a lot even in the West. इनके गाने UK, Canada, US, जो South Asian diaspora market है, वहाँ पे बहुत popular होते हैं. तो हमने कोशिश ये करी है कि West की sound और देसी kind of soul in the song, and
I think that's what I loved about the song, that it was such a great fusion of
Yes.
and such new age music.
Yeah, and we don't see any label doing it,
Yeah.
like people are picking up format songs, template songs, and like it's just like great initiative by the fans.
This is unusual, but this is catchy that we can guarantee for sure.
Yeah.
Also, आप लोग को आज तो सोनाक्षी सिखाएंगी, but one anecdote is that ये rehearsals पे पहुंची थी, dance rehearsal पे, and we were actually running late, and we thought कि हाँ she'll take time, उनको एक दिन तो लगेगा, मतलब थोड़ी time तो लगेंगे, and by the time we were like they're getting there, Sonakshi, they said that she's already wrapped up, and she was so quick in learning the dance steps, so she's been a breeze. तो वो आज आपको सारा hook step जो ये video में है, वो आपको सब दिखाएंगे, and I think let's get on.
वीडियो दिखा दो ना.
वीडियो दिखाएंगे, but keep the suspense ना, पहले ऑडियो आप लोगों को वायरल करना है.
तो लेकिन हम इनको वीडियो का थोड़ा एक कॉन्सेप्ट बता सकते हैं. वाई हम आपको आज उससे पहले दिखा रहे हैं कि we are living in a world which is all overhyped about virality, and हम उस पे थोड़ा फन हमने पोक किया है वीडियो में, and we are showing that हमारा गाना ऑलरेडी हिट हो चुका है, वायरल हो चुका है, और हिट गाने को आजकल हुक स्टेप की जरूरत होती है. तो हुक स्टेप वायरल बिना इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के नहीं होता. सो वी हैव अमेजिंग पार्टनर्स टू मार्केट दिस सॉन्ग इन मौज, सोशल मीडिया ऐप, एंड आज हमारे बीच उनके बहुत cool influencers हैं. So over to Avantika, and I think we should not make them wait now.
Let's call Saurabh and Khwahish for a photo op with this guy from Moj. They've been amazing.
Come now.
फोटो वीडियो बना फोटो
ये हाथ किसका आ रहा है? हाथ किसका आ रहा है? ठाकुर को, ठाकुर तो ये
रुक गया मैम दिस कैमरा
Thank you.
थैंक यू
Okay, guys, don't move because I mean, आप लोग yeah, you all can, but we have the two wonderful ladies here. So we thought कि you know because you all have been very supportive towards Sonakshi, everybody, all of us. We are going to do an exclusive audio premiere for you, जहाँ पे राशि गायनी and Sonakshi, of course, is the star of the video. So you know, over to you guys. We're just vacating it, and we'd love for you to थोड़ा.
I will try to sing as good as I can, I promise.
साथ में ना मेरे
साथ में फोटो कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे देखो सोनाक्षी जी यहाँ पर दिखाई नहीं सेंटर
फिर कुछ भी बड़ा लगा।
अभी सेंटर
जितना झूठ बोलेगा उतना नहीं देखेगा।
मैडम जी सामने ऊपर
सेंटर सोनाक्षी जी सेंटर राशि इधर मेरे इधर
अभी करो जरा समाप्ति हो गई।
Thank you. चलिए राशि जी और
Hello? Yeah.
म्यूजिक
It's going to come.
सोनाक्षी के साथ एक फोटो मतलब यू नो ऑन द शॉट्स यार
टी-शर्ट पहना हुआ जाएगा
हाँ
जो टी-शर्ट पहना हुआ जाएगा
टी-शर्ट नहीं पहना वो फोटो खींचेंगे हाँ
जाओ जाओ जो टी-शर्ट
चलो सारे टी-शर्ट वाले कम ऑन गाइस
अरे पांडे तूने नहीं पहना है पांडे
फोटो खराब हो रहा है
फोटो खराब हो रहा है डांस भी नहीं किया
फ्रेम में नहीं बैठ रहा है, छोटा बड़ा हो रहा है।
इसको फोटोशॉप कर देना टी-शर्ट
भैया टी-शर्ट पहनो ना छोटू
भैया जी
एक बाहर
मैं